Introduction. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a relic of the past, where vehicles hover above the roads and trains fly through the sky at incredible speeds. Picture a society where taxis no longer drive, but instead lift off vertically, soaring through urban landscapes like something out of a science fiction movie. This is not a dream. It is the future that cutting-edge technology is striving to create. From revolutionary transport systems to breakthroughs in space exploration, technology is shaping the way we move and interact with our environment. The upcoming decades promise to bring an era where traditional transportation methods are obsolete, replaced by hyper-efficient, eco-friendly, and highly intelligent mobility solutions. Whether it's gyroscopic vehicles that glide above traffic, high-speed vacuum trains, or autonomous aerial taxis, these innovations aim to redefine urban and intercity transportation. Beyond Earth, scientists and engineers are making strides in space travel, developing next-generation spacecraft and orbital infrastructures. The possibility of human habitats on Venus, faster than ever cargo transport to the moon, and the democratization of access to space are no longer just fantasy. In this exploration of the 15 technologies that will change the world, we will delve into game-changing transportation advancements, aerial mobility, and space technologies that promise to redefine human civilization. Are we ready for these changes? Let's take a deep dive into the future of movement, starting with urban transportation innovations that will make today's vehicles seem outdated. Urban transportation enters the futuristic era. Gyroscopic transport, floating above the streets. What if your daily commute no longer required you to sit in bumper-to-bumper traffic? Enter gyroscopic transport, a futuristic solution designed to completely transform urban mobility. These vehicles are engineered with massive flywheels that allow them to hover above the streets on stilts, effortlessly gliding over conventional cars. Unlike traditional modes of transportation, they're designed to maximize road efficiency without requiring extensive infrastructure overhaul. Gyroscopic transport isn't just about avoiding congestion, it's also a sustainability marvel. These vehicles run on solar energy, making them an environmentally friendly alternative to fossil fuel transportation. Inside, they offer a range of seating options, from compact subway-like benches to luxurious pod compartments equipped with plush sofas and entertainment systems. While still in the conceptual phase, the potential impact of gyroscopic transport is profound. Not only could it ease traffic congestion, but it can also increase urban mobility while maintaining pedestrian-friendly spaces. With cities expanding and populations increasing, a multi-tiered transport system may be the solution to an overcrowded future. Renault Float, the car that moves in any direction. Imagine a car that doesn't have a front or back, that can move in any direction seamlessly, without ever needing to turn around. That's the concept behind Renault Float, but autonomous spherical vehicle that revolutionizes the way we think about mobility. Unlike conventional cars, Renault Float is made from a translucent, color-changing material, allowing it to blend into the urban environment dynamically. This creates a unique visual aesthetic while also providing greater interaction between passengers and the world outside. Inside, it offers a spacious, customizable interior that prioritizes comfort and connectivity, making it ideal for both personal and shared transport. One of the standout features of Renault Float is its autonomous driving capability, powered by advanced AI and sensor technology. This means passengers can sit back and relax as the car intelligently navigates their city streets. Moreover, its small, compact shape makes it a highly efficient vehicle for dense metropolitan areas, where parking and maneuverability are critical concerns. With its sustainability focus and space-saving design, Renault Float represents a potential step toward urban transport that is safer, more efficient, and less intrusive on city landscapes. The question remains, when will we see such a revolutionary design hit the streets? MG Maze, a car or a gaming console on wheels. For gaming enthusiasts, what could be better than a car that doubles as a personalized gaming station? The MG Maze is a bold new concept that redefines the driving experience, incorporating state-of-the-art UX/UI technology to transform commuting into an interactive adventure. Unlike traditional cars, MG Maze doesn't rely on a steering wheel. Instead, passengers control the vehicle via their smartphones, integrating augmented reality, AR, and immersive interfaces into the ride. The car's body is made from a transparent, futuristic shell, allowing drivers and passengers to experience an entirely new way of engaging with their surroundings. The idea behind the MG Maze is to merge transportation and entertainment into a seamless experience. Rather than simply being a means of getting from one place to another, the car gamifies the journey itself, making commuting an engaging activity. While it remains a concept with no immediate commercial application, MG Maze represents a vision of how future generations might perceive mobility. In a world increasingly dominated by digital interaction, cars may no longer be just about travel, but also about customization, interaction, and entertainment. The MG Maze isn't just about fun. It also challenges traditional automotive design by removing the need for conventional navigation systems. If successful, this could be a glimpse into the future of driverless interactive travel. But how soon will this become a reality? Flying railways, the future of train transport. Flying train, the railway that soars above cities. Imagine a future where trains no longer need traditional tracks and can instead fly through the air, suspended on elevated railways. The flying train, conceptualized by Russian engineering company Dahir Insat, is designed to be an advanced high-speed transit system that combines the best of rail travel and aviation. This futuristic train consists of hanging pods attached to elevated rails, allowing for ultra-fast transportation while minimizing ground-level congestion. Unlike traditional rail systems, the flying train does not disrupt city infrastructure, making it an appealing alternative for densely populated urban areas. Powered by electric propulsion, the train system boasts zero carbon emissions, making it an environmentally friendly solution for urban transport. Because it is suspended, it can bypass traffic jams, bad road conditions, and even natural obstacles, such as rivers and hills. While the flying train is still in its conceptual stage, the idea presents a scalable, cost-effective alternative to traditional trains. If successfully developed, it could redefine urban mobility, allowing commuters to move swiftly between destinations without ground-based congestion. However, challenges such as infrastructure costs, safety concerns, and real-world feasibility must be addressed before this technology can become a reality. Could this airborne railway system be the next revolution in urban transport? If cities are willing to invest, we may soon witness a future where train travel no longer depends on the ground. Virgin Hyperloop, 30 minutes between San Francisco and Los Angeles. For decades, the dream of ultra-fast travel between cities has seemed impossible until now. The Virgin Hyperloop proposes a radical new transportation system that propels passenger pods through vacuum-sealed tunnels at speeds of up to 670 miles per hour, 1078 miles per hour. The concept is based on magnetic levitation, maglev, where pods hover above tracks, eliminating friction. Combined with a near-vacuum environment, this allows Hyperloop to achieve unprecedented travel speeds. The goal? To cut down the 6-hour drive between San Francisco and Los Angeles to just 30 minutes. Hyperloop's biggest advantage is its energy efficiency and low emissions. Unlike airplanes, which burn fossil fuels, Hyperloop relies on electrically powered magnetic propulsion, reducing environmental impact. Its ability to operate in vacuum tubes means minimal air resistance, drastically cutting energy consumption. Despite its groundbreaking potential, several challenges stand in the way of Hyperloop's commercial launch. Infrastructure costs are enormous, with estimates running into the tens of billions of dollars. Additionally, safety concerns around maintaining a vacuum-sealed transport system and handling emergencies at high speeds remain major hurdles. However, if Virgin Hyperloop succeeds, it could transform intercity travel forever, offering an alternative that is faster than planes, greener than cars, and more efficient than traditional rail. The company aims for full-scale passenger operations by the 2030s, but only time will tell if Hyperloop will truly revolutionize travel. Skyway, the cost-effective railway in the sky. While many futuristic transportation systems come with enormous costs, Skyway offers a high-tech yet budget-friendly alternative. This innovative rail transit system suspends lightweight, high-speed pods on elevated cables, drastically cutting down on the cost of traditional rail networks. Unlike monorails or subways, which require heavy infrastructure investments, Skyway uses minimal steel and concrete, making it up to 1,800% cheaper than conventional railway projects. This makes it an attractive option for cities looking to modernize their transport systems without breaking the bank. Another advantage of Skyway is its low environmental impact. Elevated above the ground, it requires minimal land usage, and its electric-powered pods produce zero emissions. Skyway also offers scalability, as it can be adapted to urban, suburban, and even rural environments.
A recent project in Miami, valued at $300 million, showcases the growing interest in Skyway's potential. If successful, this could pave the way for more cost-effective, sustainable transport solutions worldwide. With cities struggling to cope with rising populations and congestion, Skyway presents an opportunity to transform transit infrastructure at a fraction of the cost. Could this become the preferred mass transit option of the future?
Taxi drones, the future of urban air mobility. EHang 216, the first fully autonomous air taxi. Flying cars have long been the ultimate dream of futuristic transportation. And EHang 216 is one of the first air taxis making that dream a reality. Developed by Chinese company EHang, this autonomous aerial vehicle, AAV, is designed for urban air mobility, carrying passengers across cities without the need for a pilot. EHang 216 is powered by 16 electric rotors, allowing it to vertically take off and land, eVTOL. The aircraft can carry 2 passengers and travel at speeds of up to 80 miles per hour, 130 kilometers per hour, making it an ideal solution for bypassing congested city streets. One of the key selling points of EHang 216 is its autonomous flight technology. It operates using an AI-driven system, meaning passengers only need to input their destination and the aircraft takes care of the rest. With no human pilot required, this technology could make air taxis more accessible and scalable. Currently, EHang 216 has been undergoing test flights in multiple cities worldwide, and its estimated retail price is $338,000. While this is still expensive, as production scales, costs may drop, making air taxis a mainstream urban transport option. The future is near. Will EHang 216 become a common sight in our skies? Bellwether Volar, the most mysterious air taxi. Unlike other eVTOL aircraft, Bellwether Volar's design is truly unique. Its flying car has no visible wings or exposed rotors, giving it a sleek, futuristic appearance that looks more like a spaceship than a taxi. The Volar's wingless lifting body design allows it to take off and land in tight urban spaces, making it perfect for cities with limited airspace. Its propulsion system is hidden inside the body, reducing noise pollution and increasing safety. The latest model, the OR-X, features improved aerodynamics and flight control. With a size of 3.7 meters by 6.3 meters by 1.9 meters, it can comfortably seat 3 passengers, offering a new level of luxury air travel. Bellwether claims that the Volar could eventually become as common as private cars, but with an initial price in the 7-figure range, it may take decades before mass adoption becomes feasible. As eVTOL technology continues to evolve, could the Bellwether Volar redefine what it means to drive in the future? Kekona Drone Bus, public transport in the sky. Public transport isn't just limited to the ground anymore. Kekona is developing a flying bus capable of carrying up to 40 passengers or 10,000 pounds of cargo. This massive eVTOL aircraft is equipped with 8 thrust vectoring fans and adjustable propellers, optimizing flight efficiency. The first planned route? A 30-minute flight from Manhattan to the Hamptons for $85 per person. Kekona aims to make airborne public transport affordable, but battery weight remains a major challenge. Currently, batteries account for 80% of the aircraft's total weight, making extended flights difficult. If battery technology improves, the Kekona drone bus could revolutionize city commuting, eliminating traffic congestion while keeping costs competitive with existing public transit. Conclusion: the dawn of a new era. As we stand at the threshold of a technological revolution, the advancements discussed in this article paint a vivid picture of what the future might hold. From floating gyroscopic vehicles to hyperloop transport, from flying trains to autonomous air taxis, humanity is on the brink of a new era of movement and exploration. But these innovations go beyond Earth. With projects like NASA's Capstone and Havoc, space travel is evolving into something more practical and sustainable. We are no longer just dreaming about interplanetary colonization, we are actively working toward it. However, with such rapid advancements come challenges: infrastructure costs, safety concerns, and public acceptance. How quickly we adopt these technologies will depend on government policies, investment, and the willingness of societies to embrace change. Yet one thing is certain: the way we move, travel, and explore is about to be transformed forever. The future is no longer a distant dream. It is unfolding before our eyes. Are we ready for this bold new world? Would you ride in a taxi drone, board a flying train, or even live in a floating city on Venus? The future awaits. The only question is, will we step into it?